In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix routing and remote access service RRAS, not starting on Windows 11 or on your Windows 10. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead to your search menu, as you can see right now, and then just go ahead, type in regedit. After that, click on Run as Administrator. Now just go ahead, click on Yes, and now this window will pop up for you. Just go ahead, double-click on HKey Local Machine, then click on System. After that, click on Current Control Set, then click on Services. From here, you should locate RRAS, as you can see, RRAS, then go ahead and locate SVC Host Split Disable, and make sure the value is on 1. Then click on OK. If you don't have SVC Host Split disabled, just create a new one. Just right-click on an empty spot on the rear, then go to New, then add DWORD 32-bit value, and then create it for yourself. After that, go to the left side and locate, as you can see, Remote Access. Then go ahead to also SVC Host Split Disable and make sure the value is on 1. Then click on OK, and if you don't have it, just create it like this. So after you have done that, just go ahead, restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video on how to fix routing and remote access service. As always, thank you for watching.